Students, let's start with the exercise 5.3 question number 4. How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? So 636 is SN. 9, 17, 25. So A is equal to 9, B is equal to 17 minus 9, 8. SN is equal to 636. We know Sn formula is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the value. Sn is 636, n we have to find n by 2, a is 9, so 2 into 9, n minus 1, is it, d is 8. Okay, so multiply inside, 9 to the 18, multiply inside, so 8n minus 8, 18 minus 8 is 10. So 10 plus 8n. If you take 2 common, then 2 will be cancelled out. So what you will get? 636 is equal to 5 plus 4n. This 2 and 2 taken common and it will cancel. Is it? So what you get here is 336n 5 plus 4n. If you multiply inside, so 5 into n 5n, n into 4n is 4n square. Is it? Take all number on one side. So what we get? 4n square plus 5n minus 636. Is it? Factorize this. 53 minus 48 is 5 plus 5. So we factorize it. You know this factorization. What is common? N. So n plus 53 minus 12, n plus 53. So n plus 53 in the one bracket. Next bracket is n minus 12. So which is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 4n plus 53, or 0 is equal to n minus 12. See? So minus 53 is equal to 4n. So minus 53 by 4 is equal to n. So n is equal to 12, n is equal to 12. This is in a fraction. So this is in a fraction. So what we say that it is not possible. So n is equal to 12. The first term of an AP is 5. The last term is 45 and the sum of A's is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. Here only one more thing is included, D you have to find. First you find N. A is 5, last term or AN or is equal to L, also called a last term, is 45. Sn is equal to 400. So Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket A plus L. If you substitute the value, you will get 5 plus 45. 5 plus 45 is what? 50. Is it 50? So 400 is equal to n by 2 into 50. If you cancel it, so you will get 25. So n by 25 is equal to 400. The relation of n and 25 is what? Multiplication. So 25 will go in division. So 400 by 25. So n is equal to 16. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 45, a is we got it 5, and n we got it as 16. So n minus 1. So 16 minus 1 into d. If you simplify, you will get as 45 plus 45 is equal to 5 plus 15d. So plus will come on this side. We will get 45 minus 5. 45 minus 5 is what? 50 is equal to 15d. Relation of 15 and d is multiplication. So it will go in division. So what you get? 40 divided by 15. So d is equal to 8 by 3. Is it? Let's move on to the question number 6. The first term and the last term of an AP are 17 and 350. The first term means A is 17 and the last term an is equal to L is 350. If the common difference is 9, D is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? You have to find sum afterwards. First you have to find n, number of terms. So we use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 350, a is 17, n minus 1, d is 9. Is it? Plus 17, move on other side it will be minus. So 350 minus 17 is 333. N minus 1 into 9. The relation of n minus 1 and 9 is multiplication, so it will go in division. So if you divide it, you will get 37, n which is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 will move on other side, it will be plus, so it will be 38, so n is equal to 38. Now we have to find the sum. So Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. First time and last time is given, therefore we will use this formula. So Sn is equal to 38 by 2, 17 plus 250. If we add it and divide it by 2, is it? So 38 divided by 2, you will get 19, and addition of 17 plus 350 will give 367. Multiplications will give you 6973. So Sn is equal to 6973. Find the sum of the first 22 term of an AP in which D is 7 and 22nd term is 149. Is it? Again, what is this? That find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP in which D is 7 and 22nd term is 149. So A22 is 149, D is 7, N is equal to 22. Okay, first we'll find A. So An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An 22 is equal to A plus 22 minus 1 into D is 7. Okay, so 149 is equal to A plus 21 into D. 21 into D is 147. It is a plus sign, so moves on other side, it will be minus. So 149 minus 147 is equal to A. So we got A as 2. Now what remains to find us? What is the sum of 22nd term? So Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. N is equal to 22. So Sn, S22 is equal to 22 by 2 plus A is 2 and L is 149. If you add it, you will get 151. 22 divided by 2 is 11. If you multiply, S22 will be 1661. Find the sum of the first 51 term of an AP whose second and third terms are given. Second and third terms are given. So if you from this second and third term, we'll find the value of A and D from this. Is it? We have to solve with the elimination method. First, second term means A2. Is it? What will be the formula for A2? A2 will be equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D. By using the formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Is it? We can say that. What is A2? 14. So 14 is equal to A plus D. 2 minus 1. Therefore, first equation we got it as 14 is equal to A plus 2D. The third term is 18. Means A3 is 18. What is A3 is equal to? A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Is it? So, what do we get? A plus 2D is equal to 18. Substituting in the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A3 will be equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. That is 2D. A. But what is A3? 18. So, we got a second equation. Solving this first and second equation by elimination method. What is the elimination method? We'll write this 2 and change the sign of the second one and cancel it out. Then one function will get it, that value of D or the value of A, and then we'll substitute in the equation. So from first and second, what do you get? 14 is equal to A plus D and 18 is equal to A plus 2D. If you change the sign, minus. So minus A plus A will cancel out. Minus 2D plus D is minus D. Is it? 2D is a greater therefore. Now 14 minus 18 minus 14 you can say. Is it? So which number is a greater? 18. What is the sign of it? Minus. So it will be minus 4. So D is equal to what you get? 4. So substituting the value of D in the first equation, 14 is equal to A plus D. D is 4. So what will be the value of A? A will be equal to 14 minus 4. So A is equal to 10. Now we got which terms we have to find? We have to find sum of 51 term. So A is equal to 10. We got D is equal to 4 we got. Since we want to find the sum of 51 term, so n is equal to 51. Is it? Substitute in the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Is it? Sn is equal to, is it? We have to write 51, so it should be written here 51. So 51 by 2 is equal to 2, a is 10, n minus 1 means 51 minus 1 into 4. So that is 50 into 4, that is 220. So it becomes 220. And if you divide by 2, what you will get? It is, if you divide by 2, you will get 110. 110 into 51 will give you Sn of, or S, we can say that it is S51. Is it? You can also write S51 is equal to 5610. So you can write. Let's start with a 9th sum. If the sum of the first 7 term of an AP is 49, sum means S7 is 49, and that of 17 term is S17 is 289. Find the sum of the first n term, means Sn you have to find. Is it? So S7 is 49, S17 is 289. What is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. We are finding S7. S7 is equal to 7 by 2, 2a plus n minus 7 minus 1 into D. 7 minus 1 into D is 6D. 2a, 7 by 2. S7 is given as 49. Is it? So 49. Is it? So 49 is equal to 7 by 2, 2a plus 6D. Take 2 common from this bracket, so 2 and 2 will cancel out. Is it? 2 taken common. So left inside will be left with a plus 3D. So 2 and 2 will cancel out. Is it? So 49 is equal to 7 in the bracket a plus 3D. The relation of 7 and a plus 3D is multiplication, so it will be divided. So 7 is equal to a plus 3D. Now Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a n minus 1 into D. What is given as S17? S17 is 289. So S17 is equal to 17 by 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1 into D. That is 16D is equal to 2a. 17 by 2 is 289. 2 you can take common. So it will be 17 by 2, 2 taken common. So inside left with a plus 8D. So 2 and 2 will cancel out. 17 in the bracket a plus 8D. Is it? 17 will be divided. So 289 by divided by 17 is equal to a plus 8D. So 17 is equal to a plus 8D. This is the second equation. Again by elimination method from first and second. 7 is equal to a plus 3D and 17 is equal to a plus 8D. If you change the sign, 17 will become minus, this will also become minus, 8D will also become minus. So minus and plus will cancel out. 17 minus 7 is 10, greater number is 17, so sign is minus 10. Here 8 minus 3 is 5, the sign of 8 is minus, so minus 5D. So D is equal to 2. Substituting the value of D in any one equation, we can take first and second anyone. Let's take first equation. 7 is equal to a plus 3D. D we got 2, so 2 3 is a 6. That is it? A plus 6. It is a plus sign. If this moves on another side, will be minus. So 7 minus 6. So A is equal to D. A is equal to 1. So now D is equal to 2, A is equal to 1. We can substitute in the value and we'll get Sn. Is it? Nth value means Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn is equal to n by 2. A value, substitute here 2. And D is 2. So 2. 2 into n minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 will cancel out 2n. 2 and 2 will cancel out. So n left with n into n, n square. Is it? So Sn is equal to n square. To an from an AP where an is defined as below. An is equal to 3 plus 4n. You have to show that it is an AP. Is it? So for n is equal to 1, a1 will get, if we substitute in this formula first, n is equal to 1, place 1. So 4 into 1. So A1 is 7. N2 you find like this. You will get what? By keeping n value as 2, you will get 11. N3 you will get 15. Is it? N4 you will get 16. So what you got the series as A1 is 7, A2 is 11, A3 is 15 and A4 is 19. If you find the common difference D, how to find the common difference of first? A2 minus A1, that is 4. A3 minus A2, that is also 4. A4 minus A3, that is also 4. So it is NAP. Is it? Okay. Here the common difference is same, so it is form NAP. Let's check for this also. So AP forms 7, 11, 15 and 19. Is it? Here A is equal to 7, D is equal to 4 and N is equal to 15. Sn you have to find. Is it? First you have to check whether it is AP and then after we have to find Sn of it. So we got A is equal to 7, D is equal to 4 and N is equal to 15. So we substitute this formula like this and find out the value of Sn. Is it? Let's check whether the second one is AP or not. An is equal to A plus minus 5n or 9 plus 5n. 9 plus I think. An is equal to 9 minus 5n. N is equal to 1, we get 4. N is equal to 2, if you substitute in place of n2, then you will get 10. So 9 minus 10, it is minus 1. N is equal to 3, you will get 6. Is it? N is equal to 4, you will get 11. So what series you got? A1 is 4, A2 is minus 1, A3 is 6, A4 is minus 11. Here the common difference is what? Minus 5. You can see. Is it? How to find it? A2 minus A1. Then A3 minus A2. Then A4 minus A3 as we did it previously. Is it? Here. You see here like this. Is it? And find the common difference. If common difference is same, then it will become AP. Is it? Okay. So what you get? A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 5, N is equal to 15. So Sn formula we have to substitute. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. A is equal to 4, 15 minus 1 into minus 5. That is 14. 14 minus 5, 70. So this 8 minus 70 is minus 62. If you simplify, you will get minus 465 Sn on this. Is it?